What's up, traders? It's Eddie Z here. If trading stocks has ever felt confusing to you for no clear reason, this might be the missing piece. What I'm about to show you is going to change how you look at the stock market forever. While 99% of traders out there are drowning in analysis paralysis, studying hundreds of indicators and patterns that frankly don't mean squat, I've cracked the code down to just 4 chart patterns. That's right, the 4 greatest chart patterns that separate the winners from the wannabes. Listen, I've been in this game long enough to see traders burn through their accounts chasing every shiny object that comes their way. They're loading up on the same tired names everyone talks about, everyone trades all the time. Microsoft flopping around like a dead fish. Apple going absolutely nowhere right now. Meanwhile, my system is laser focused on finding the diamonds in the rough, the stocks that are coiled up like a spring ready to explode. The chart patterns I'm talking about are the cup and handle, the high handle, the double bottom, and the flat base. These 4 chart patterns made more millionaires than any other setup in the history of trading. And while everyone else is playing checkers, we're playing chess with surgical precision. Now, let me give you 2 stocks that are setting up beautifully right now. But remember, I can't guarantee these are going to work, and this isn't a buy recommendation. But these setups have all the characteristics of potential rockets. These things are ready for liftoff. First up is Invent Electric, ticker symbol NVT. This company is absolutely crushing it in the electrical infrastructure space. They manufacture electrical connection and protection solutions that are essential for data centers, for renewable energy projects, and for industrial applications. Think about it. With AI exploding and data centers popping up everywhere, someone has to provide the electrical backbone, and that's exactly what Invent does. They've got products ranging from cable management systems to grounding solutions that keep these massive facilities running smoothly. Their revenue has been blowing up consistently as they benefit from the massive infrastructure build-out happening globally. The company serves markets in over 100 countries, and it's been around for decades, so they know what they're doing.
Here's why I like NVT. We can see the stock had a major run-up all the way from just below 50 all the way to about $118, and now it's formed this double bottom. Very similar to what Uber did a few years ago. The double bottom is a very powerful formation. The buy point is when it crosses this middle area. It's kind of forming a double bottom with what we call a handle here. And above this high, which is 110.65. If this stock were to trade 110.75 and volume was high, this stock is getting ready to break out, and it could be ready for a moonshot. Now, don't buy it just because I'm pointing it out here. Do your own due diligence. This is not a buy recommendation.
Okay, the second stock is SEI Energy Infrastructure, ticker symbol SEI. This is an interesting play on the energy transition that most people are completely missing. SEI owns and operates midstream energy infrastructure assets. We're talking about pipelines, storage facilities, and processing plants that are absolutely critical to moving energy products from where they're produced to where they're consumed. What makes SEI particularly interesting is their strategic positioning in high growth areas like the Permian Basin and their focus on natural gas infrastructure. And while everyone is talking about renewables, natural gas is going to be a crucial bridge for decades.
Here's symbol SEI, and as we can see, SEI had a huge run here from $15 a share all the way up to this level, about $57 a share from 15. It's had a huge run starting in the middle of September. We see this breakout, $25 to, again, $57 or so, and now it's formed this double bottom pattern. And as I'm actually taping this, the stock actually is starting to break out. So the first area of breakout is the middle here, which is 56.51. And then, of course, the all-time high, 57.17. It is very close to breaking out. Keep an eye on symbol SEI. This stock could be a moonshot. Again, just because I mention it doesn't mean go ahead and buy it.
Both of these stocks are flying under the radar while setting up patterns that could lead to massive moves. The beauty of my system is that it doesn't matter if you've never heard of these names before. Did you know some of the biggest winners in market history were companies nobody was talking about until they started moving? Now here's where things get really exciting. If you want to master what I call the 4 greatest chart patterns of all time, you need to join me for my exclusive mastermind training called How to Find Stocks That Are Ready for Liftoff. This isn't some basic chart reading course that covers 100 different patterns that confuse more than they do help. In this mastermind, you're going to learn the exact methodology I use to scan thousands of stocks and identify the very few that are truly ready to explode. I'll walk you through each of the 4 chart patterns in detail, showing you exactly what to look for and how to time your entries and exits for maximum profit potential. Join me in the mastermind. That link to the mastermind is in the description. You can check it out and watch it right now. Join me at the mastermind and let's start building your trading future today. My name is Eddie Z. Thanks for watching, and may the trend be with you. Go check out that mastermind.